Welcome dear children to another section of EVS 2 today. I'm going to take a new lesson in EVS. Before going to the lesson, let us see what we are going to learn in the EVS 2 this time. Yes, we are going to learn about the most awaited ruler of Maharashtra and a famous king. He is none other than Shivaji Maharaj. So, in the EVS 2 textbook, which you are having this year, we will be learning our life history of Shivaji Maharaj, the great warrior. So let us see first what all we are going to learn about him. Children, do you remember we celebrate a great day for the celebration of Shivaji Maharaj's Jayanti? You remember it is celebrated every year on 19th February as Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti all over Maharashtra. Let us have a short look at the way it is celebrated in Maharashtra. Yes, can you see children? All the people come over the street and celebrate the birthday of Shivaji Maharaj with great joy and enthusiasm. They carry the saffron color flag and rejoice with the drums and the shahnais and with the lazim. All the ladies and gents dance over the streets, and it is really a very powerful celebration, you can say, of our Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. Again, in the schools also the same is done, where the students display the work of Shivaji Maharaj. Either it is in the form of chart, where they display the pictures of Shivaji Maharaj, his great work, soldiers who worked with him. Again, he had a very good armory, or the sword, or the coat of mail, or the danpata. All were extremely valuable for the Shivaji Maharaj, and we display all that in our projects when we celebrate the Shivaji Jayanti in our school. Again, you can see that not only in Mumbai but all over Maharashtra, people celebrate Shivaji Jayanti with great pomp. Yes or no children? We all celebrate Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. And what do we say on that day? Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Yes. Let us move on to the next page, where I have given a short description about Shivaji Jayanti celebration in Maharashtra. Shivaji Jayanti is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm all over Maharashtra. Everywhere people sing the praises of Shivaji Maharaj through povadas, baruds, etc. Here, povadas and baruds are Marathi songs which are sung in praise of Shivaji Maharaj. In schools also, this great day is celebrated by depicting projects, pictures, models of forts built by Shivaji Maharaj, etc. Indeed, it is a lovely day to remember the all-time hero of Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Let us move on to the next page now, children. So, in this textbook of EVS 2 4th standard, we are going to learn everything about Shivaji, right from his birth, where he was born, where he spent his childhood, about his parents, his grandparents, his great-grandparents, yes, and about his education, his teachers, his gurus, about the saints and the sadhus who inspired Shivaji, and again about his administration, about his coronation, about his sardars, and every incident of his life is going to be learned in this textbook of EVS 2. Next, we will move on to some more pictures of Shivaji. As I told you, Shivaji Maharaj became the only king of Maharashtra, and he got himself coronated. This all we will be learning in the later chapters. Next page, let us see how he had his court. I told you he became the king of Maharashtra. He had his own court and ministers. So this is how Shivaji Maharaj developed and his kingdom developed of Maharashtra. And here is the king and the queen, Maharani Jijabai, and also next is his ministers, court of ministers. So all these things we are going to learn in our EVS 2 book this year for standard 4th. So before going on to the next part, let us see a small video of Shivaji of Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj and learn and know and gather information through the small video which is already there in the Diksha app. You can see in that. So teacher is going to play that now. Just have a look.
We all live in the state of Maharashtra, and indeed, it is such a wonderful state. Let us today learn a little bit about the history of the state and about Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a great Maratha warrior and king who ruled over most of Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj set up Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Before Shivaji Maharaj, a large part of Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. So we can see that many rulers ruled the kingdom of Maharashtra. All these rulers were not honest and always fought for more land and wealth. The welfare of the people was never given any consideration. It was a disturbing time for the people as their problems were never looked into and the rulers were busy fighting and waging war against each other. There were a lot of famines in the land and people did not have enough food to eat. The Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes, who were officers of the king, were supposed to look after these matters, but they hardly did anything for the welfare of the people. Shivaji Maharaj saw all these and wanted to change the state of affairs. He first united the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes and motivated them to work for the welfare of the people. He then fought the kings and set up his own kingdom. It was a very peaceful kingdom. Shivaji Maharaj then established the Hindavi Swaraj and made no distinction between the Hindus and the Muslims. He treated all his people equally. Everyone in the kingdom was happy. The people praised and revered Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay, so let us come back to the lesson where I have highlighted all the main points of the lesson. Children, yes. So today's our lesson was Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj, EVS 2 first lesson. In that we have learned about the history of Maharashtra. Where in this lesson we are going to learn the history of Maharashtra. Sorry for the repetition. Again, what was the scenario or what was the scene in Maharashtra before Shivaji? So that is going to be learned, that was learned through this video. Can you understand, children, what happened in that? Yes. So before Shivaji Maharaj, two rulers ruled Maharashtra. One was Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. They were ruling Maharashtra, and with them many other rulers were also ruling Maharashtra, and small officers like the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes, who were Marathi officers, were also ruling Maharashtra. But they were never honest to the people, as they were busy fighting with each other. So the people were suffering a lot without a proper ruler or a officer or a king. And at that time, a new dawn, and at that time there was a new day or a new dawn which appeared, and our Shivaji Maharaj was born as a great warrior and king who ruled Maharashtra later on. Really, he changed the poor condition of the people and gave them justice. He set up Swaraj or Hindavi Swaraj, which means self government or our own rule in Maharashtra. So, in this way, Shivaji Maharaj's existence came in Maharashtra. So, this is what we are going to learn in the first lesson, children. Thank you.